So guys, so basically this is a blower motor. If you have AC, for those of you guys that have AC on the CRX or EF hash or wagon, whatever, this is something you're gonna need, especially in Florida. Robert, the owner of the CRX, has that lucky that he does have AC. Was making noises, and before we install it, I want to include the what is it? Oh, what? 1949. Hold on. Where I put it? Right here. Boom. You know you listen to the stickers, bro. All this box for this little thing. It's a Continental part. The reason I told them to order this, it comes with an OEM plug. You don't have to do nothing, no modification, no nothing. Comes already with the OEM plug. The only thing we had to do is put the old blower on top. But besides that, let me turn you to the car. Alright, you guys hear that? That's where the noise is. The AC blows nice and cold, but that noise is the issue. So we're gonna take care of that. Turn off the car. We're gonna take care of that right now. So I need this. I need the fresh lights over there. Okay. So, with that said, it's underneath here. Hold on. Alright, you guys hear that? That's where the noise is. The AC blows nice and cold, but that noise is the issue. So we're gonna take care of that. Turn off the car. We're gonna take care of that right now. So I need this. I need the fresh lights over there. Okay. So with that said, it's underneath here. Hold on. Where you're gonna locate this place? It's underneath here. So you got 3 bolts holding it. 1, 2, 3, and that hose you gotta disconnect. All right. And with that said, disconnect that from there. So we're gonna go in here. I just gotta go get me a, looks like a number 8. I'll put it right here so I can see better. And I'm gonna take that off and I'll show you when I get it out how it looks, okay? Now guys, not only took me an hour to take this out of there, an hour. Fuck me, an hour, bro. Let's take it out. Let me get a small socket real quick. I'm gonna flip it so you can see what I'm talking about. You see this right here? Make sure that that's there. And then you're gonna grab your gun or whatever you use. You're gonna take it out. Basically, you're gonna move this out and play with it. This is gonna be a bitch to take out. You just rust it out, so. Let me get a different hammer. All right. There we go. That works. So this is what it looks like. It's all rusted out. Put it to a new one. You see this washer? Gotta go there too, okay? See it? Then you're gonna put this on. Before I put this on, let me go wash it off. It's kind of super dirty for years of gunk. So I'm gonna wash it off. I'll be right back. So it looks a lot better than before. I'm gonna install this right now. I'm gonna put it in, and this right here, see how this is square right here? This is square, it goes like that. Let's see, boom, perfect. Now, if you have a choice, you can put the OEM one back on. Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. Or you can put the aftermarket one on. What you're gonna do, you're gonna get your gun to the lowest settings. That's it, you're done. And this baby comes with extension, so you don't have to worry. By the way, I'm gonna show you what I did to take this out. So, come on, let me show you. To take this baby out, I have to dismantle. Hold on. Folks, to take this out, I have to move this around. Basically, it's a bolt right there on the top. Right there, it's a bolt right here on the bottom. And one up here in the corner. 3 bolts, and plus this one, 4. You move that out of the way, then this can come through here. Besides, all that came out of there. And this is being super dirty. I'm gonna clean it up before I put that back in there. I'll let you how it, then I can let you know how it sounds when I'm done. So in a moment, stand by. By the way, it has taken me an hour just to take it apart. 10 minutes to change it, and another hour to put it in. How the fuck? So let's do it. Hey guys, one of the best things about this car, the AC. Remember when we turned the car earlier? Now, you don't hear nothing. You don't hear no, you hear the blower kicking in. And I'm gonna tell you right now, it's blowing so cold. See it? You hear it? The difference? That vibration that you're hearing is normal on the vehicle. Let's see. Actually, it's coming from the outside of the vibrations. But I want to tell you how cold it gets in here real quick. Right now, I put my temperature gauge. Are you serious right now? My light went out. The temperature gauge right there, and I want you to drop. Right now, there's a 80 degree. I'm gonna put it right there, and I'm gonna run it. Like I said, this car, the best thing about this car was the AC. The AC in this car is really good. And the only problem we had is that it was in it's not, what's it called? Already dropped about 60 from 80. That's when I started the car. Nice and quiet in here now. You don't hear that bad All that was, everything that was there, the motor was loose. Like it was vibrating on top of like that, it was vibrating. On top of that, you had a bunch of leaves and other things that came in there from the top. When you put it to get air from the top, that's what happened. You always want to close it with that little gate closed if you have one of these older cars. And you can see it was rusted as hell. I thought this car might need Freon, but it's not. That changing that, I can tell you, it's daytime. It's like 100, 110 in the garage. Inside this car, it's about 60 degrees right now, and I thought that he might need a refuel, but it's not. It's basically that motor wasn't blowing harder, right enough. Look, before it was blowing right here where my hand is. Now I'm right here where my face is. I can feel it. I can see some of my hair moving right over here, and that's pretty good. It's one of the first CRX that got the AC bracket is not broken. It's about 59 degrees right now. That's pretty cold. So guys, this is how you replace your AC motor. Not motor. I forgot. See, I got a brain fart here. Anyway, the blower motor. That's how you replace it. You go underneath there. You have 4 bolts holding it. Like I said, one on top. After you take the glove box off, you got one on top. You got one holding there, one on the bottom. And you're not taking that off completely. What you do, you're moving it forward. So you can, first you had to lose the ones on the bottom. Then you take those out and you move it to the side and play with it. It's going to take you an hour just to get it out of the hole. After you get it out of the hole, take you 10 minutes. Wash it off, take you 10 minutes. And you put it inside, put it back up, bolt it on, and then bolt it back on. And that's it. Oh yeah, it's dropping like crazy. That's pretty cool. Well, yeah, guys, I just want to say thank you for watching and subscribing. This car right now is at 54 degrees in the hot garage. That's really dang good. It blows really cold right now. It blow a little bit colder. I gotta take it to a shop and check the I don't know if the owner Robert checked the AC yet, like how cold it gets in here, but it's pretty damn freaking cold right now. All the things are working. For being a 1991 Honda CRX, this is pretty cold. It's chill dropping. Alright guys, thank you for watching, subscribing. I'm inside the car like always. Thank you. Llegó el más que jode. You know that. Guys, thank you for watching. Watch my next video. It's going to be on this little thing in the back right here. How to fix this. Now it looks all nice and square. So watch my next video on that. And I'll see you later, guys. Thank you for watching, subscribing.